Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 7. The member is me Indriana and then the Kalistari. We will explain about recognizing cultures and developing respect, explore and compare culture knowledge, belief and practices. And the first presentation by me. These elements involve students identifying, observing, describing, and analyzing increasingly sophisticated characteristics of their own culture's identity and those of others. Students move from their known world to explore new ideas and experience related to specific cultures groups through opportunities provided in the learning areas. There, they compare their own knowledge and experience with those of others, learning to recognize commonalities, acknowledging difference between their lives and recognizing the need to engage in critical reflection about such difference, seeking to understand them. Students recognize and appreciate difference between people and respect another person's point of view and their human rights. Recognizing cultures and developing respect involves understanding and appreciating the diversity of cultures, knowledge, belief, and practices. This includes the first cultural awareness is the understanding and recognition of different cultures, beliefs, values, practices, and behaviors. It involves being aware of and respecting culture difference, including customs, traditions, and social norms. Culture awareness also includes recognizing the impact of one's own culture on their perceptions and interactions with others. Next, the second, culture sensitivity refers to the ability to recognize, respect, and appreciate the culture's beliefs, values, and practices of others. It involves being open-minded and empathic towards people from diverse cultural backgrounds and avoiding behaviors or actions that could be offensive or disrespectful to others' cultures. Culture sensitivity also involves being aware of one's own culture's biases and avoiding making as assumptions or judgments about others based on their culture's difference. Third, cross-cultural communication refers to the communication process between people from different cultures backgrounds. It involves understanding and appreciating cultures' difference in communication styles, norms, and values. Effective cross-cultural communication requires being aware of one's own culture's biases and adapting communication strategies to accommodate the culture's preferences of others. This includes being mindful of nonverbal cues such as body language and gestures, which can vary widely across cultures. Next, for culture's competency is the ability to effectively interact with people from different cultural backgrounds. It involves being aware of one's own cultural values, beliefs, and biases, as well as understanding and respecting the cultural difference of others. Culturally competent individuals are able to communicate effectively across cultures, adapt to diverse cultures' norms and practices, and promote mutual understanding and respect. Developing culture's competency requires ongoing learning and self-reflection, as well as a willingness to engage with people from diverse backgrounds in a respectful and open-minded manner. Okay, the next presentation will be presented by Dika Lestari.
Okay, the next point is respect for diversity. Foster respect for cultural diversity by recognizing the inherent worth and dignity of all individuals, regardless of their cultural background, embrace the richness of diversity, and celebrate the contributions of different cultures to society. Maksudnya adalah kita harus menumbuhkan rasa hormat dan juga merangkul keanekaragaman budaya yang ada dengan mengakui nilai dan juga martabat yang melekat pada semua individu tanpa memandang latar belakang budaya mereka. Next is comparative cultural analysis. Engage in comparative cultural analysis to explore similarities and differences between cultures. This involves examining cultural knowledge, beliefs, and practices in various contexts and identifying common themes as well as unique cultural expressions. Nah, dalam poin ini melibatkan analisis budaya komparatif untuk mengeksplorasi kesamaan dan juga perbedaan antar budaya. Okay, the next is cultural exchange. Take advantage of opportunities for cultural exchange, such as participating in multicultural events, traveling to different countries, or interacting with individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds in your community. This experience can broaden your perspective and deepen your appreciation for cultural diversity. Nah, jadi dengan pengalaman-pengalaman ini dapat memperluas perspektif kita dan juga memperdalam apresiasi kita terhadap keanekaragaman budaya yang ada. Is active listening and empathy. It's meant that by actively listening and empathizing, one can better understand the views, values, and experiences of people from different cultural backgrounds. Nah, jadi dengan mendengarkan dan juga berempati secara aktif, ini dapat membantu kita untuk lebih memahami pandangan, nilai, dan juga pengalaman orang-orang dari latar belakang budaya yang berbeda. The last is avoiding stereotypes. Stereotypes can limit our understanding of certain individuals or cultural groups and hinder our ability to see each person as an individual with unique experiences. By avoiding stereotypes, we can open our minds to see diversity within cultures more accurately. Nah, jadi dengan menghindari stereotip ini, kita dapat membuka pikiran kita untuk melihat keragaman budaya secara lebih akurat. Okay, I think that's all our material today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.